independent samples t-test to analyze the differences between gender and scores on the mental health pretest in the sample. And so our alternative hypothesis states that there will be a significant difference between gender and mental health pretest scores, and then our null hypothesis says that there will be no significant difference between gender and mental health pretest scores. And so let's go to our data. We're going to hit Analyze, go down to Compare Means and Proportions, hit Independent Samples t-test, and then for the test variables, we want to go ahead and click the mental health pretest, which is right here. And then we want our gender question down here at the bottom for a grouping variable. So that is question number 6. Alright, hit define groups. We're going to keep it as 1 and 2, so just hit continue. Click OK. Alright, and here we can see our sig value is greater than 0.05, and so we're just going to pay attention to this first row of numbers for this table. So for our two-sided p-value, it's 0.003, which is less than 0.05, so that means we're going to accept our alternative hypothesis. Alright, and so if we go to our alternative hypothesis, we said that there will be a significant difference between gender and mental health pretest scores. So that means that we know that our means, which report the averages for our mental health pretest scores between male and female, we know that there's going to be this difference between these two will be statistically significant. And so that means that since for male the scores were on average higher, because here it's 9.5, and then for female the mean was 8.5, so that means that males tended to score higher on the mental health pretest than females, and we know from our psychometrics that higher scores on the mental health pretest mean that we have, or they mean a better mental health. So that means that males tend to report better mental health on the pretest than the females.